Hey folks, how's it going? It's Mr. Murray welcoming you back to another great week of learning here remotely. And for today, I want to get us started with a new idea that I kind of didn't want to jump into as we were exiting last week just because of how important it is. And that is now we're actually going to take exponents to a new level. So we've talked about the laws of exponents, we've talked a little bit about geometric sequences and patterns involving exponents. Now we're going to start talking about a brief little investigation of exponential functions. So to help get us started, I thought that we're going to need to make a table. And to do that, what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to plug in a bunch of numbers. So I'm hoping you can help me find the following values for the graph of f of x equals 3 to the power of x. What is 3 to the 1, 3 to the 2, 3 to the 3, 3 to the 4, and then we have 3 to the 0, and 3 to the -1, -2, and -3. Okay, so please go ahead, pause the video, try to find these values, then when you're ready, unpause, and you can see what I got. Alright, so one thing we need to know is that anything to the power of 1 is itself. Okay, next thing we need to know. 3 to the 2 is essentially equal to 3 times 3, which is 9. 3 cubed is 3 times 3 times 3. 3 threes, that's 27. You don't multiply. 3 to the 4, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, 81. Now, big one we need to know, well, if you think about it, 3 to the 4, you're dividing by 3, dividing by 3, dividing by 3. To go to the 0, you would be dividing by 3, and 3 divided by 3 is 1. And then for 3 to the 1, we should get a third, for 3 to the 2, a ninth, and for 3 to the 3, a 27th. And that's because the negatives create the reciprocals, and that is another exponent rule. Alright, so if we were able to get these right, if so, congratulations. I do recommend that you try your best to make sense of the laws of exponents, as they're extremely, extremely important. Best of luck with today's activities, folks. Don't forget to love math, and remember, you can do it.